Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how you can save your time when you make a website with Divi using the Divi's global layouts. So Divi's global layouts are very powerful and can save you a lot of time when you make your website with Divi. So let's say this is my home page, and if you scroll down, I have this testimonials section here. Now I also have this testimonial section on my other pages, and I usually have to update them. So this is the services page, this one has it too, and so on. So I usually have to update them whenever I have new testimonials, and this is one of the many cases that the global layouts of Divi is gonna help you save time. So what you can do is you can either go to your WordPress dashboard and then Divi library, and here you can click on add new, and then you can create a new global layout from here like this. You can create a layout, give it a name, and then save as global, and it will be created as global. But if you already have the layout designed and you want to save it as a global layout, you can just go to that page, enable Visual Builder, and then hover over that section or row or any module. And let's say I want to save this section as a global layout. I can give it a name, testimonials, and then I can save as global. I can give it categories or tags if I want, and then I can save it as global layout, and then it will be saved as a global layout in the Divi library. So if I refresh this here, as you can see, now it is shown right over here, and it has this global symbol right over here. And make sure you don't delete this because it is important to stay here. And then if you go over here on your page, you can see that the section settings has turned to green color. Same goes for other settings as well, like row and module, but these borders are still in black, so you can know what is what. And now to update the other sections on your website, all you have to do is just delete this one from here and click on add new section, add from library, and you will see it right over here. You can even search for it. So I'll just add it here like this, and that's it. And now if I want to add in more testimonials here, I can simply duplicate it like this, and I can change the order if I want. As you can see, it is updating the global layout, and I can do the same over here, and done. So it might not update over here, and I'll just close this page. Let me save it first. All right, so I'll close it, and then now I will save this one. This is the home page, and that one was the services page. Now if I exit the Visual Builder, and you can see that I have 4 testimonials now. And if I go to the other page here and scroll down, as you can see, this one also have 4 testimonials just like this one. And you just have to update from one place, and it will be updated on every other place that this section is on. So you can make any kind of changes and then save it, and it will automatically update on all the pages. So this is the home page, and this one is the services. If I reload both of them, as you can see, beautiful testimonials, and it is updated on both areas. So you don't have to, let's say you have testimonial section on like 5 to 10 pages on your website. Using the global layout, you don't have to go to each page and update the content, but you can use global layouts, and you will just have to update from one place, and it will automatically update on all other pages. If you have 5 pages, 10 pages, 15 pages, it doesn't matter, it will automatically do the job for you. And that's pretty much it for this quick video. I really hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, and let me know if you were already using it and Yep, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, have a great day. Peace out.